here's my twin. Okay, Tom, let's look right over here. We got a dartboard for our Christmas Eve present. We get one to open one. And right over here, we started at 301. We worked our way down. Tom over here got a 28. But Bob, you know, B for boss, I got a 3. And Bob over here, which is me, kind of started out sucking. But, you know, you can't always start out good. Practice makes perfect. Okay, Tom, it's your turn. Go right ahead. Right there. That's alright.
Bullseye. That was a bullseye.
You know he busted. So, if you look, that's not good. Just because you got close to the bullseye doesn't mean anything. Now it's my turn. I'm player 1, Bob, and Tom over here is player 2, so it's my turn. Get your things off.
Whew. Oh, shit.
Thanks, Tom. Okay, your turn. Because you accidentally busted me. Let's start. Okay. Come on, Tom. Grow up. Dedication.
For you.
You busted. Nice job. Oh no, go. Keep on going.
Try to hit the 20. That's one. I got one more.
Oh gosh. He finally caught up to me. Bust.
That's some bullcrap. Wow.
Okay, Tom. Watch your mouth. Okay. See who's gonna win this.
We'll see what Bob's got.
Dedication. You gotta get ready, get pumped. Here comes number 3.
You busted?
I blew it. So, it's your turn, Tom. You got 26, liar. Let's go, Tom.
Shoving up the Adam's apple.
You bust?
Nah, got 21. Here's my other card. Hey, Bob. Say goodbye.
Missing one. You got a problem?
No.
You find your own dart, Tom. What's wrong with you?
It's your dart.
Oh, you're holding it in your hand.
It's your turn, alright? Oops.
This is the face of dedication, if you can't tell. Yes! I only gotta get one. Okay. This is face of dedication, can't you tell? I'm getting pumped and it's just darts. Let's do this, number 1!
That's a bad son.
Gosh. Oh my god. Starting out with the 26. We got a 6 now. You said yeah. Yeah. Didn't push start.
Sorry. We better get a heckload of views.
Well, that's all for today. John won this time with a 1. But we didn't finish. But maybe we'll get you next time. Thanks for coming in. Bye-bye.